Raise your right hand if you are in favor of the adoption of the previous minutes. All members present during the session are favor in the adoption of the previous minutes. The chair declared the minutes is hereby adopted. Prevalent speech. Honorable Deloso is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Presiding Officer, my fellow colleagues and guests, good morning.
Good morning.
I rise today to speak on a very important matter that will strengthen the efficiency, transparency, and accountability of our legislative work, the creation and adoption of committee internal rules and procedures. Committees are the backbone of the Sangguniang Bayan. They are where legislation is carefully studied, public concerns are heard, and measures are refined before they reach the plenary for final action. Yet, without clear rules and procedure, the committee work risks delays, confusion, and efficiency. The proposal of the internal rules and procedure provide us with clear guidelines for referral, deliberation, and reporting of measures. Define roles and responsibilities of committee chairpersons and members. Standards for conducting hearings, consultations, and public participation. Mechanism for accountability and transparency, ensuring that every measure receives due process. By creating and adopting these rules, we ensure that our committees operate professionally, consistently, and fairly. It is not just a matter of procedure, it is a commitment to our constituents that every ordinances, resolutions, and initiative is handled with diligence, integrity, and respect for due process. Mr. Presiding Officer, colleagues, the creation and adoption of these rules is a milestone in the legislative life of this Sangguniang Bayan. It will allow us to streamline our work, prevent unnecessary delays, and improve the quality of our legislation. I therefore urge my fellow members to support the proposed committee internal rules and procedure so that we may carry out our mandate more efficiently and in the best interest of the people of Lingid. Thank you, Mr. Chair, and good morning.
Thank you, Honorable Deloso, for that strong manifestation. So, it's a clear reminder to us to follow our internal rules and IRP of our Sangguniang. Thank you for that. Any privilege speech? Honorable Paul Solenio of Barangay Mandos to Bistik. Is recognized. Do you have
I will submit later the copy of my privileges.
okay.
Madayaw na song, kanato urot. Our presiding officer, Mas Mayor Arnold Dimalaki, members of the August Assembly, my dear colleagues, gentlemen and ladies, once again, good morning. I am here standing pleading for your kind support with my great intention for the creation of footbridge in Barangay Valencia. Barangay Valencia, Lingid, is a coastal community with growing ecotourism potential and serves as a docking site for pump boat operations that support local mobility and economic activity. However, gentlemen and ladies, the existing wooden footbridge in the area is already deteriorated and unsafe, exposing residents and visitors to significant risks. During low tide and adverse weather conditions, the proposed 300-meter footbridge mangrove boardwalk addresses these concerns by providing a safe and reliable pedestrian access facility that enhances community mobility and reduces accident risks. It also supports ecotourism and environmental awareness by creating an organized pathway for visitors to appropriate the mangrove ecosystem while promoting conservation. Additionally, my dear colleagues, the boardwalk will improve docking operations for Pampo, ensuring safer and more efficient passenger movement. Through the integration of a user fee system, the project establishes a sustainable maintenance mechanism that will fund ongoing repairs and environmental programs, protecting both the infrastructure and the mangrove ecosystem for long-term community benefit. Along with this, ladies and gentlemen, we need an amount of 3.3 million for this project, hoping and praying that the Committee on Appropriation will look into as one in our vision of local government unit and ecotourism destination. And herewith is also a prepared resolution for the amount for the construction of footbridge. Thank you and more power.
Thank you, Honorable Paul Serenio. The two privilege speech delivered, the first privilege speech delivered by Honorable Mumal de Rosso will be referred to the Committee on Good Governance. The privilege speech rendered by Honorable Paul Serenio will be referred to Committee on Appropriation. Any privilege speech? Kindly provide a copy of your privilege speech to the Secretary. And to the Committee on Appropriation for immediate action. More privilege speech. Next is the question hour. Mr. Secretary, we have our visitors.
Mr. Presiding Officer, as far as office is concerned, there is none.
I think there's an, okay, visitors, a guest of Honorable IPMR. We would like to acknowledge the guest of visitors of Honorable IPMR. Yes, Honorable IPMR.
Good morning, everyone. Ari doon ang taga personnel ng Vintage 21.
Okay. May sa vintage rin, di ba, mga tayong bisita? Okay, we'll give you time para makabot nila ang katuyuan sa ito. Okay? Please have a report o logbook for visitors.
So, sa ating mga kagalang-galang na Sangguniang Bayan members, sa pangunguna ng ating Vice Mayor, Honorable Arnold T. Malaki, Sir, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. So, ako po si Andy Soriano, the designated security manager ng Vintage 21 Coal Mining Corporation. So, narito po kami upang bigyan pansin doon sa call request ng isang SB member natin. Isang respetadong SB member, Honorable Reynald Gayod, upang magbigay ng updates doon sa pag-secure namin ng permit, business permit. So kasama ko ngayon ang aming HR, si Ma'am Cristina de la Cruz. So, kanina, before kami umakyat dito, is kagaling lang po namin doon sa Treasurer Office upang isubmit yung aming folder, application for business permit. So, yun po yung updates. Then, as advice ni Treasurer po, is mag-provide kami ng original copy, then another one, Xerox copy para kay Mayor na po yun. So, ito, nagpapasalamat po ako ng napakarami sa pagkakataong ito dahil na rin po kay SB Gayon para may updates talaga kayo doon sa aming ginagawa. Baga iniisip po kasi natin na hindi namin ginagalaw or hindi namin nilalakad yung aming mga compliances. Kami po ay masunurin sa inyo kung ano po yung dapat namin gawin na pinapagawa ninyo is gagawin namin para maging legal po yung aming operation. Yan lang at maraming salamat.
Okay, thank you, sir. Any question from the members of this council to our visitors? Honorable FMR is recognized.
Ma'am, pwede ba mahatag more enlightened kung asa mo nadapit sa inyong proseso? Kung asa mo nagsugod, asa nadapit ang please masabda na ito.
Good morning, each and everyone, especially to our presiding officer, Honorable Vice Mayor Malaki, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sa ating lahat, update lang sa business permit na na-process namin. So, actually, tagal na yan namin na i-process because of some other factors delayed, especially November, December, ang daming mga holidays. So, ang pag-signature ng mga requirements, kasi marami ang mga requirements. Actually, as of now, tapos na. Nakuha na namin yung sa zoning, nakuha na ang sa engineering department, signed by Engineer Genevieve Akalisi. Then, kinuha na namin ang file with the endorsement of the engineering department, and we have other requirements kinomply na ng Vintage 21. So as of now, as kanila Soriano said, na ang folder is sinubmit na namin doon sa Treasurer's Office para makita nila yung mga requirements for their to process. Thank you so much.
Okay, kuan gibali ma'am na hulat na lang mo og feedback o kuan sa BPLO sa Business Permit Office. So all the necessary requirements have already submitted. Okay, any question from the members? Honorable Gailo. Okay, sir, manager of the security.
Pero at least, kumpay na magkaroon ng panahon. So ako lang, naabay atong mga dita nga mag-gather sa inyo, ang pila na gid kalong ng inyo na-extract sa area.
Opo, meron po kaming maibibigay kung magre-request po at kung kinakailangan po.
Okay. So,
At least, alam namin na may kita kayo mabigay sa amin.
Opo.
para ibigay naman yan sa BPLO, lahat na data nila. Honorable Aurelio,
Sir, okay lang po.
you want microphone?
Of clarification, sir, yung company. Ano, kung sa'y, Tagalog, no?
Sige lang po,
Anong
sir.
kung sir, business time ninyo sa BD61, are you for operation or buying of for
Security manager po ako.
anyone can, what, ma'am, sa HR?
Type of business, buying or
Extraction?
Siyempre, mauna po, mag-extract muna tayo doon sa area. And then, kung may buyer, saka po natin i-deliver.
Why I question this?
Producer po kami ng, kumbaga, producer po tayo.
Producer kayo. Why I question this service to para makuha na mo sir ba? Identify na mo kung pinag-ibang loading kaya dito man yung tax. Diba sir?
Yes po.
Per loading. So, clarification na mga buka kung sa gila yung buwan. So, more on instruction mo, wala mo sa buying.
Opo. Then, about sa record po,
Kaya
sir.
para makabalabot ang LGU, asa na mo ang monitoring sa pag sa pila na kahal. Kabalo ang local government, asa na mo, asa ang ilang trabaho.
Sir, napos tayo mga record sana tanan sir. Recorded po yan lahat.
It's not the same thing as your personal recording than ours. Kay,
Sige po,
anyway sir, paano? Sige lang kay, kung just in case na matagaan mo, Mrs. Penny, kuan, ang per loading ninyo, asa man may makapakaisin nyo, halaga po sir.
Yes, sir.
Katong previous, katong February ninyo nga operation,
Opo, sir.
dito na po yung mga isin nyo nga.
Opo, sir.
Namin si Ivax, namin siguro nag-exist namin ito nga kuha mo. Kuhan?
Sa IP na,
Capitalize.
sa IP na po yung nag-record.
IP. Ang pa isa. Kuha ka.
barangay.
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 Totalo.
But sa kuan sa business permit, kung ako na sa'yo is computed na yan sa kanila. Volume of
Under 20,000 tons na sir, no?
Ano po, sir, yung...
Yung ano nyo, application pa nyo, under 20,000 metric tons.
20,000. 20,000.
Oo, opo.
So yung tumelo ninyo, going back. Thank you sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Ini verification. Wala na? Honorable ABC President, sa likod pa.
Hello sir, hanggang ba ngayon tuloy pa rin ang operasyon niyo?
Doon po sa small scale po.
Sa small scale.
Yes, sir.
Yung kasilagan dito, na-stop pa kayo o tuloy? Kasi ang magagalang na, meron na pala tuloy-tuloy pa rin ito.
Mayroon po tayo mga small scale, sir, na yun lang po yung...
So, kasama ba yun sa recording niyo sa pag-submit dito?
Opo, sir. Kasama po na.
Thank you. Mr. Chair, bahin sa kung magaling man makuha ito ng dapat mapanayulong pa ba natin itong pagtanaw nga ito sa Aquaneria kung ang proseso nila na talaga ng tuwong plastado.
Your proposal is the Sangguniang members of the Sangguniang will visit the site.
Sa pagkakuha ba ng ano ng under gihapon natin matanaw siguro siya talaga kung okay ba ganyan na lang o nag-area.
Okay, body will agree. Mag-bisita ka.
Kaya,
Ba-
ibanuhan ba yan? Oo.
Okay. The proposal to be sent.
Para matanaw
Okay, we will coordinate the company.
Hangin na sila.
But we have entrusted to the DNR, DOE, kanan sa mga legal operation nila dito. O NCIP na po. Kaya kung gusto ka mag-initiate sa Angunian na mabisita, we will coordinate to the company and the other national agency. Okay, Honorable Gailo. Okay, since na naman ang sa security si Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, willing pagid mo nga, okay lang ba mo musugida dito sa inyong area? Welcome kami dito.
Very welcome po kayo doon, sir.
Okay,
Wala po.
salamat.
Mas magpapasalamat po kami kung kayo ay aakyat doon para makita nyo yung area.
Okay, Honorable Kanoy.
As I remembered, when the Vintage 21 presented here, one of their requirements for sa application nila na kung ano bang ang itawag na ang invited gamit sa ang mga kuan. Supposedly, it was scheduled last November ba o December?
Kita ba yun?
O nang tawagan si ito? Oo, nang itawag si ito. Oo. Lahi pa sa mga term na kuan.
I don't know kung nalayo nila to.
That's why I'm asking if yan na yun na ba or
Parang public consultation sa 2 million, production of 2 million metric tons.
okay, di ba it was one of the requirements kanila? Di ba ang langsit mag-present na schedule ka ng sito kay ano sa mga...
Chairman na nila, limot ko.
So that's my question, Mr. Chair. Kung yan na
Sige
yun na
lang.
ba or kung on the base schedule is
Nakadayon mo ato, sir? Katong public consultation.
Opo sir, actually nagkatatapos lang po last week yung 3 barangay. Nag-start na po ng umiikot yung ating Pongren. Umiikot na po sila, katatapos lang po yung 3 barangay. So, yung iba ay susunod na po sir.
Okay. Mas mayo at karang barangay kay kung ano man, as sa akong marikol, tungkol sa kanako sa pulyong, ati municipal wide na ang kahibagon, i-consulta.
Opo sir. Kasi malaga po talaga yan, yung information dissemination sa lahat ng mga barangays.
Sige.
Ay, sir, wala na kami na-inform, sir, na wala na dito barangay at kuwan. Tapos, sa base sa local government code, inform nila sa Angunian.
Sige po sir, mabuti na lang po at sinabi po ninyo yan sir, gagawin po namin. Next time.
Consultation kasi yan, sir.
Oo, sir. Sige po sir, at mag-invite po kami sa inyo. Oo.
Not necessary na invite, sir, but for TC lang punta, sir.
Sige po.
For TC.
Report para at least.
Para inform mo, di ba? Ay, medyo paano mo ni sir, murag ang Vintage 21 is ang mga resident dali dito gid ang ilang mata o kalinga o mata at saka anong tawag dito? Kalinga. Sir,
Opo sir, naiintindihan po namin sir.
kaya inaw sir kung anong barangay yung natapos na.
Union, Bugak, Saraha.
Raha. Sige, thank you sir.
Pero next time po sir, mag-inform po kami sir.
Inform sir kay under the local government code, under public consultation, inform kita sa mga.
Sige sir, noted po sir.
Thank you sir.
Okay. Any questions? Last question is about sa answer yung napagmitingan namin sa Peace and Order Council, may report kasi na member of the Armed Forces of the Philippines is riding a vehicle in the Vintage 21. It is allowed.
Actually, sir, personal escort ko po yun.
Kasi may mga tao nagtanong, ano na ba ito ang ating sundalo? Vintage na ang binabantayan, hindi na mga tao. So yun ang concern ang umabot sa amin. May mga picture, may mga video.
Sir. Hindi naman namin, hindi ko ipagkakaila yan, sir.
Pero ano na, sinabihan na namin si FP na kung pwede, ano na lang, para ano na lang ba, yung iwas na lang.
Sir,
Sa amin sir is, ano yan parang, para hindi mag-misinterpret.
Opo, sir.
Yun ang ano namin.
Yes, sir.
So, para magtulungan na lang tayo na parang gano'n. Alam mo na yan. Basta may na-receive lang kami na report napaabot namin sa Peace and Order Council namin na meeting. Napaabot namin na sa kanila.
Nag-usap na kami right after nun siya, nag-usap kami kagad ni Charlie Company.
Ay, salamat sir. Ang sa amin lang siya, baka ma-misinterpret ng mga tao.
Yan nga. Sige, sir.
Okay, thank you. Wala na. Thank you sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. So, good luck sa inyong papel sir. Sana, matuloy-tuloy na yan.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat, sir.
Salamat din sa pag-update sa amin. Salamat for your pagbisita. Okay, we have other visitor guests by Honorable Gailo from Zion Elementary School, School Head Rona Baroma. Ay, ma'am? Ano po atin?
Hi, blessed morning sa tanan, sa atong Vice Mayor o sa mga isbig sa Municipal Lingit. Ako tood si Rona Baruma Ayin, bagong TIZ sa Zion Elementary School. Ang naalam ko'y wala ginang patabangan sa inyo or mangayo lang ko kanang assistant sa inyo bahin aning akong problema sa eskwelahan na ako karong panguluhan. Ang kanimang yung sa Zion, ang iyang security fence katunga lang, unya ang katunga kuan na siya kanang kawayan na ako'y picture na di kuan kay para makuan nyo nga tinuod yun siya na kawayan siya ang katunga. Unya, bago lang may nagpasa o kay ang kuan manggod nga basta sa eskwelahan nga mga projects adto ginakuno sa MOOE o tinuod na siya nasa MOOE. Pero karon manggod nagpasa ko o school improvement plan, dili siya gi-priority ang security fence. Ang gi-priority sa DepEd ang building ay para kuno sa mga kabataan. So maunang ni-come up ko nga after na siguro ko basin manaayo matabangan ko sa inyong opisina dire sa mga SBs o sa Vice Mayor. So ni anhi ko diri kay para matagaan kung resolba ning akong problema nga gusto gyud nako nga mahuman ang security fence kay alam mo ko na sa mga bata og safety pod sa mga kaptangan sa eskwelahan. Kay sa tinuod lang karon pati ang akong fats, mga apat, butanganan sa mga bula, pusit, mga wala. Kay gihimo naman siya og agianan niya usay parkingan pa gyud ang ground og mga motor sa mga taga-diha. O mao nang nag-decide yun ko nga kinahanglan umanong yun siya kay para dili na siya masudlan o mga kuan. So mao ni ang akong letter sa inyo no. One, greetings. The administration of Zion Elementary School respectfully request to your good office to assistance in the continuation of the construction of perimeter fence. As this time, only a portion of perimeter fence has been completed, leaving several areas of school grounds open and unprotected. This situation causes safety and security concerns to our school children and teachers and school properties. The completion of the perimeter fence will greatly help in ensuring a safe and orderly and child-friendly learning environment. In line of our commitment to provide a school environment, secure environment, we are humbly seeking your financial or material support to complete the remaining portion of the fence. Your assistance will be significantly contribute to the protection and welfare of our school community. We are hoping your favorable response regarding this matter. Thank you very much for your continued support to education and to our school and to our schools. So, butang ko na ako diri, guys, ang mga materials nga needed kay ako naman siya kuanan kuan sa panday sa mason kung pila gid ang magamit na mga materials unya ang bisan lang gud ang butangan inyo lang po tagaan og mga trace pans okay na basta ang ako lang maalam-alam ang sila makumpleto man bitan saya.
Okay, sige, thank you ma'am.
Thank you kayo.
Ano yan ma'am? Resolution niya ng Parent Teachers Association.
Kuan para ba vice kanang request letter.
Okay,
so,
sige.
ako ralisdan.
Pulihin na lang o resolution sa PTE. Then, depende na sa membro o pila ilang maamot. Okay naman kasi mo, kung pila rin maamot sa imo.
Kasi lang basta kay na ang ako lang maalam-alam di mamat kagayan.
Sige ma'am, ano na lang ha?
Oo.
So,
thank you.
Ang imong resolution, PTE resolution o kanang listahan sa materialis para atong ma-kuan sa uban ng mga membro. Dahil pangutana? So, Dick Charles, Chairman on Committee on Engineering, Honorable Gailo. Okay, let's proceed para ma-banti na ka. Reminding lang, no? Pag naayot ay bisita, ipag-lista lang ninyo diri sa ayong sekretary. Kung ay bisita ninyo ng bago para dito na ka. Okay, reading and referral of proposed measures, petition, letters, and other communications.
The presiding officer, first item of referral is the endorsement letter of the municipal mayor requesting isang unyang bayang resolution interposing no objection and application of Mr. Melbert D. Artisa for a sign and permit.
Okay, saan ka naka-prepare kung naagi? Yung isa? Okay. Refer to Committee on Environment, chaired by Iski Federation President.
Next item is the request from the municipal mayor for the authority to charge the prior year expenses relative to the payment of overtime pay in a total amount of 9,978 pesos and 81 centavos chargeable against 1011 of the mayor's office personal services.
Refer to Committee on Appropriation.
Next item is the request from the municipal mayor for the authority to enter into MOA with SWD Caraga Regional Office 13 for the implementation of supplementary feeding program in the municipality of Lingayen.
Refer to Committee on Social Services.
Next item is the application for accreditation of United Composite Genuine Guardians Brotherhood International.
Refer to Committee on CSO Accreditation.
Next item is the proposed resolution granting authority to the municipal vice mayor to sign GOCO's contract and other contracts for funds appropriated in the Sangguniang Bayan.
Refer to Committee on Good Governance.
Next item is the resolution fixing the rate of wages of GOCOs in the municipal government of Lingayen.
Refer to Committee on Ways and Means.
Next item is the proposed additional proposed ordinance, an ordinance establishing the municipal logistic management system for disaster response, emergency supply distribution, inventory control, transparency, and accountability in the municipality of Lingayen Surigao Resort, providing funds thereof and for other purposes. The author of this is Honorable Reynald D. Gayo.
Refer to Committee on Legal Matters and Disaster. Joint Committee.
That's all, Mr. President.
Any other item to be included? Okay, Honorable Gailo, extension of business permit application until March 31. Number 8, item number 8.
8.
Number 8. Okay. Refer to Committee on Ways and Means.
Wala. That's all, Mr. President.
Wala na. Committee reports. Honorable De Luso is recognized.
Joint Committee Report, Mr. Chair. Committee on Legal Matters and Committee on Education. Subject, proposed resolution urging the Honorable Congress of the Philippines to enact a law creating and establishing a Lingig State College in the municipality of Lingig. The proponent of this is yours truly, and the second is the proposed ordinance creating the State College in the municipality of Lingig. The proponent of this is the Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Arnold T. Malaki. The committee involved, Joint Committee on Legal Matters and Education, committee meeting dated on March 2, 2026, 9 o'clock in the morning in the session hall of Sangkunan Bayan of Lingig. Attendance, the joint committee meeting was called to order by the chairman of the Committee on Legal Matters who presided over the meeting. All members of the Committee on Legal Matters and Education were present, thereby constituting a quorum. The joint committee convened to deliberate the following referred measures. Number 1, the proposed resolution urging the Honorable Congress of the Philippines to enact a law to establish a Lingig State College, and the proposed ordinance creating a state college in the municipality of Lingig. The primary objective of the meeting was to discuss and determine the proper course of action in incorporating and harmonizing the two referred measures. During the deliberation, the committee discussed the legal and procedural requirements for the establishment of the state college. The members recognized that the creation of state college requires an act of Honorable Congress of the Philippines and compliance with the standard and guidelines set by the Commission on Higher Education. The committee further agreed that on the necessity of consulting and coordinating with the Northeastern Mindanao University, State University or NIMSO officials and state representatives to ensure that the proposed measures are aligned with national policies, academic standards, and feasibility requirements. After thorough discussion, the committee deemed it appropriate to conduct a committee hearing to gather relevant inputs, recommendations, and position statements from concerned agencies and stakeholders. Recommendations. Wherefore, premises considered, the Joint Committee on Legal Matters and Education respectfully recommends: Number 1, the committee hearing be conducted on March 9 at 9:30 in the morning at the session hall. Number 2, that the officials and representative from the Commission on Higher Education and the NIMSO or Northeastern Mindanao University, our MPDO, our MBO, and the local chief executive be formally invited to attend the said hearing and provide their inputs and recommendations. Number 3, the committee recommend also for the creation of the Technical Working Group or TWG intended for the conduct of feasibility study to strengthen the proposal. And number 4, the further action of the referred measures be deferred pending the result of the scheduled committee hearing. Respectfully submitted this March 3, 2026. Committee on Legal Matters, Honorable De Luso, Honorable Paler, and Honorable Serino, signed. Committee on Education, Honorable Bintayao, Honorable Aurelio, and Honorable Paler, signed. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Honorable De Luso. We proceed with the committee hearing this coming May 9. and prepare necessary preparation for that committee hearing. Okay, any committee reports? Honorable Institution President.
Hello everyone. Good morning, Mr. Chair and my colleagues. As a committee chair on youth and sports development, this was referred during the 22nd regular session dated December 2, 2025. Subject is to establish standardized stipend guidelines for basketball referees in all official games and sports activities organized by all 18 barangays each person of the municipality. The deliberation is this report examines the current stipend structure and adequacy of compensation for referees officiating basketball games. The committee's mandate was to assess whether existing pay scales are fair, competitive, and sufficient to attract and retain qualified officials while ensuring the integrity and professionalism of the sport. And the findings is the committee noted that the existing stipend provided to referees per game remains unchanged for a considerable period. Members observed that the existing rate may no longer be aligned with current economic conditions and the rising cost of the transportation and other expenses. The committee also acknowledged the budget consideration and any proposed adjustment to the stipend must consider and the organization financially capacity. And the recommendation is the committee recommends that they provide a resolution stating the development of baseline stipend guidelines for referees at each level of play, which could serve as minimum recommended amounts to ensure fair compensations. All organizations must establish minimum stipend standard. They should provide the metrics and adjust compensation for different levels of competition. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Okay, Ms. Reporter, we are requiring them to submit a matrix.
Yep.
Okay. So, napakay another discussion na ni. Ipatawag pa rin po sila. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the report. Daily committee reports. Honorable Saligomba. Okay, update or manifestation? Update of the pending matters? Or a boundary? Okay. I forgot to include sa atong referral.
Ay, sige pag-withdraw. Ay, pag-withdraw. Hindi makaligaw.
Committee reports. Calendar of business. Unfinished business. Okay, unfinished business. Honorable Diloso. Okay, boundary conflict between BISLIG and Ligig.
We will pass the resolution.
Okay.
So, follow up in the joint session of the Barangay Clinic and the Central League to adapt the recommendation of the technical working group.
Okay, unfinished business to pass a resolution, follow-up resolution addressed to SP BISLIG for a joint session to pass a joint ordinance on the boundary settlement between BISLIG and Ligig in connection with the technical working group recommendation. Any question of the proposal? Wala na? Okay. Next is business of the day. I would like to request the assigned committees on the new referred items, especially this item numbers 5 and number 6. A resolution granting authority to the municipal vice mayor to sign GOCO's contract and other contracts for funds appropriated in the Sangguniang Bayan. A resolution fixing the rates of wages of GOCOs in the municipality. Parang action na ni kaya nakita. Kamalumantan na kinahanglan pa o resolution. Then, ang ika-uno is fix sweldo sa atong mga GO, sa atong termino. Karon ba nato mabuhati? Resolution. Resolution of the previous. Human na yun sa kanilang administrasyon. Nick, sa ato na naman. Atong i-update. Dili, GO is sa ato naman. Agreement man sa sulod. Internal man ang GO. Anong GO? Katong ipagsulduhan o isa ka libo, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, wak man tumabuhati. 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. Nakay karaan na ni Trix yan.
Account siya, Venus. Monthly fix.
Dapat ang gusto niya daily based sa recommendations.
Okay, 5 minutes recess. Ang hingi para natin. Okay. Session, resume. Business of the day. Honorable Aurelio is recognized. Asan siya na item? Item number 2. Request from the municipal mayor for the authority to charge the prior year's expenses relative to the payment of overtime fee in the total amount of 9,978 and 81 centavos chargeable against 1011 years of this. That is Honorable De Loso. Okay. A motion to suspend the rules or the 3 reading rules. Seconded by Honorable Sereno. 3 rules is by suspended. So, pending motion of Honorable Aurelio, any seconder? Seconded by Honorable Saligumpa. Please your right hand if you are in favor of the motion of Honorable. Okay. Honorable Montayaw? Honorable Gailo? Are you not? Okay, all members are in favor. So the motion presented is hereby approved, adopted. Okay. Item number 5, Honorable Kanoy is recognized.
Chair, I will for a resolution affirming the authority of Vice Mayor to sign COS contracts and other contracts for project sa Sangguniang starting July 1 to December 2025.
Okay, motion affirming the authority of the municipal vice mayor to sign GO's contracts, COS, and other contracts for funds appropriated in the Sangguniang Bayan from July 1 to December 31, 2025. Any seconder? Seconded by Honorable Tisa Serenity. Please your right hand if you are in favor of the proposed resolution. All members, favor of the resolution, the motion presented is hereby adopted. Another, Honorable Canoy.
I move for a resolution granting authority to the municipal vice mayor to sign KOCOS contracts and other contracts of funds appropriated sa Sangguniang Bayan effective January 2026 to
28. June 30. 20. Okay, a motion granting authority to the municipal vice mayor to sign GO's contract, COS contract, and other contracts for funds appropriated in the Sangguniang Bayan from January 1 to 2026 to July 2028. Seconded by Honorable De Loso. Please your right hand if you are in favor of the resolution. All members favored of the resolution, the motion presented is hereby adopted. Honorable Aurelio, item number 6. Fixing the rates.
I vote for the approval of the resolution wages of GOs.
Okay, resolution fixing the rates of GO, COs in the municipality of Lingig. Ini seconded. Seconded by Honorable Bintayao, Veloso, and Artisa. Please your right hand if you are in favor of the resolution. Honorable Serino. All members favored of the resolution. The motion presented is hereby adopted. Item number 7, Honorable Deloso. In the boundary conflict follow-up resolution. Number 8 yan. Number 7 muna tayo. Okay. Okay guys, Honorable Deloso.
I move to approve the follow-up resolution with regards to the joint session of the City of Districts and Collector of Consumption and the Central Environment Brigade to enact and joint ordinance formally adopting and approving the newly delineated political boundaries, etc.
Okay, resolution on the settlement of Bislig and Lingig boundary and joint session to pass a joint ordinance. Seconded by Honorable Canoy and Salikumba. Please raise your right hand if you are in favor of the resolution. Okay, all members, favor of the resolution, the motion presented is hereby adopted. Item number 8, Honorable Aurelio.
I move for the approval of the resolution for extension of petition that is after March 31, 2026.
A motion, a resolution extending the application of the business permit until March 31, 2026. Ini seconded. Seconded by Honorable Canoy, Artisa, and Palera. Raise your right hand if you are in favor of the proposed resolution. All members favored of the resolution, the motion presented is hereby adopted. Other matter, other topic to be approved. Honorable Canoy. It's a pending motion for the restoration. What's the Honorable? Okay, there's a motion for the restoration of the three-reading roll. Ini seconded. Seconded by Honorable Deloso. House three-reading roll is by resume. What's the pleasure of Honorable Aurelio? Supplemental budget number 1 referred last. Last session. Okay? Okay, 5 minutes recess to discuss the supplemental budget number 1. Okay, session resume. Honorable Aurelio.
Mr. Chair, I vote for the approval of the resolution for the supplemental number 2.
But before you proceed, kindly deliver a short report so that we can adapt that na hello. Okay, that's an ordinance.
Everyone, so confirmatory lang isang regarding on the supplemental number 1 on the fund source. So, kagahapon, gusto niya kami ni budget regarding on the high ma-charge ito na supplemental number 1. And it was found out na ma-charge yan sa trust fund. So, expect kita for our supplemental na dapat ma-include dyan ka na to additional fund for our CUS. So, the supplemental number 1 composed of these following items, this following project, which is the maintenance of the Barangay Road, City Obon, Barangay Sabang, amounting to 1.2 million. Then the clearing of boulders, which is specified only for labor works at City Obon, Barangay Sabang, amounting to 100,000. Then another item for the supplemental number 1 is the construction of Taghunasan Bridge, the completion of phase 2 with the appropriation of 2.9 million, which is the implementing office is the municipal engineering. The other one is for the office of the MDRRM, that is Disaster Risk and Reduction Management Program, which is the climate change adaptation and mitigation, which is the tree planting, amounting to 71,250. And then the installation of early warning system, which is the Serene, amounting to 32,320.33 centavos, with the overall supplemental appropriation of 4.2 million. 4,203,170.33 centavos. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Okay, the source unexpended fund is from the 2025 MDRR. Okay. Naka-approve na ba ito? Is idea ni? Dili na ba necessary? Na magpapatag supplemental investment plan? Cover na siya, wala tayong problema nino, basing abot sa panahon, pangayuan kita. Okay. So, na AIP, Annual Investment Program na. Sige. Any question of the committee reports? So, please move for the adoption for the second reading, approval. Okay. A motion for the approval for the second reading on ordinance number blank. Supplemental budget number 1, calendar year 2026 of the municipality of Lingi, carrying an amount of 4,203,570.33 centavos. Any seconder? Seconded by the Volcanoy, Gailo and Serenio sa Ligumba. The supplemental budget number 1 is hereby approved into a second reading. 1 minute recess. Formal. Session resume. Honorable Aurelio. motion for the approval of the ordinance supplemental number 1 calendar year of 2026 of the municipality of Lingi carrying an amount of 4,203,570 and 33 centavos into a third or final reading. Ini seconded by Noble Deloso, Artisa, Paul Serenio, Saligumba, and Pintayaw. Raise your right hand if you are in favor of that ordinance. Ano to si Paler? Okay. We cannot proceed without the vote of Honorable Paler. Okay, Honorable Paler, are you in favor of the proposed ordinance? Raise your right hand.
I didn't hear what.
Okay. All members present of this issue is in favor of to approve the appropriation ordinance supplemental number 1 calendar year 2026. The ordinance is hereby approved. Next. Unfinished, unassigned business. Any unassigned business?
Next na lang sir.
Announcement. Okay, motion for adjournment, seconded by the board Aurelio. Session is formally adjourned. Honorable Deloso.